Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video from Wtf Rc Cars. So, Hota D6 Plus charger. Now, if you've seen my review of it, it is a cracking charger. Just a few things that I felt like it let it down, and one of them was the fact that it's advertised as it's got a mobile phone app. But tried quite a lot of things, tried it on a few devices, couldn't even get it to download properly. So, I've done a bit more digging, and basically if you follow these steps you will be able to easily get it working, and it's not very intuitive, so you're going to have to just follow them step by step, and then you will end up with a fully working app and it will connect up to the device. So let's crack on with video. So the first thing you're going to need to do is, on your mobile phone, browse to hota-exp.com, and once you get in here, top right, you can press English, so we stand a bit of a chance, and then you go to the support one, and if you look down at the bottom, if you click on the Google Play link it won't work. If you click on the APK you'll get a download. Now this will download the actual Android app to your phone. Then you're going to want to open your file browser, you're going to want to go to downloads, and then we need to rename this file, else it will try and open it as a zip file because for some reason they've left the zip extension on it. So go to rename, delete everything back to the K on the APK, then you'll get the app. You can click on the app and click install. Now what you might get here is a prompt asking you to grant permission to allow your file browser to install apps. Then you have to click location, allow when using app, but the app won't open then, it'll just open to a blank screen. So if you press and hold on your icon, go to app info, then click on permissions, then you've got to work through the denied ones, so allow it to connect to the camera, allow it to connect to contacts, and then allow the final one so it can access files on your device, and you'll see why it needs these in a moment. But then if you just close out of that, open the Hota app, what it'll ask you for is a password, and I could not find this password in the instructions, I couldn't find it anywhere. So you've got Bluetooth on, it'll search for device, the stock password is 123456, tick remember and auto login, and that's the last time you'll ever see that page. Then you've got settings, which are all your settings on the charger, so you can change anything here. Strange that it shows low, mid and then low on both the backlight and the volume, but the bottom low is high. Here you can change your password. Only really important if you've got multiple chargers or multiple people using the same charger. You can select channel 1 and 2, so that's nice and easy, just same as on the charger. You can press start task, and then you go through and you tell it whether you want it to charge, balance charge, 3S, your charge rate or anything, and then you can just press start and it'll do that charge on channel 1 or 2 depending which one you've set it on. So that's all pretty self-explanatory, same as using the charger itself. Or you can press cancel and come all the way out. You can then go to task and you can create a task. Now what this is useful for, and also why it needs permission to storage and everything, you can create a setting on here, that'll create you a little QR code. You can then take a screenshot of that. I did press save but couldn't find the location of where it saves it to on your phone. But if you take a screenshot of that and then email it to your PC, you can then print that little QR code out, stick it to your battery, then when you go onto your first home screen you've got a little option that says scan, and you can just scan the QR code, and you can have one for charge, one for storage, and you can just zap the QR code you want and the app will just send it straight to charger. But I did have a good look around to see where it's actually saved it on the phone, and I can't find that it saved that picture anywhere. So whether it didn't save it under images, and I'll have to have a bit more of a dig about, see where it actually saves it to, but a screenshot an email to your PC and then print the QR code out, stick it to the battery. That'll work absolutely fine. Most of the settings on the D6 Plus do work. Obviously wireless charging doesn't, because it hasn't got wireless charging built into that charger. Dead giveaways that it's a metal case and wireless charging don't work through a metal case. But hopefully you have a working app now. Right, so there you have it. One Hota D6 Plus charger running off the application. As I've said in the video, the one step that you might have different on your phone to mine is when you initially go to start the installer app, you may get a prompt come up and say you don't have permission to run from this application or this location, and it'll just take you to a screen and you just put a tick in the box that says grant permission to it, and then it will run. On my phone I install quite a few different apps that I run from APKs, so it didn't ask me for permission because I've already granted the File Explorer permission to install apps. But now we have that working, I would have no issues recommending this charger to anybody. The 300 watts from AC is absolutely fantastic. Cracking charger, just needs a little bit of work with software. But thanks a lot for watching WTF Rc Cars. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe, share to friends and family, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I'll catch you guys again in the next one.